Hello students, we will start our next chapter, chapter 11 in geography, life in the deserts. Students, in the previous chapter, we saw some of the tropical, subtropical and temperate regions of the world. And now we shall lay focus on some of the dry or arid regions of the world. These regions have less ability of water and therefore have a low density of population. People have to live a difficult life here as compared to many other parts of the world. Deserts cover more than one-fifth of the Earth's land area, and they are found on every continent. Deserts are a part of a wide classification of regions called drylands. In this chapter, we shall study about two of the large desert regions, the Sahara Desert in North Africa and Ladakh region of India. Sahara Desert. Location. The Sahara is the world's largest hot desert and second largest desert after Antarctica. It extends to over 9,400,000 square kilometer or roughly 10% of the continent. Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan and Tunisia. Climate. In addition to being extremely dry, the Sahara is also one of the hottest regions in the world. The average annual temperature for the desert is 30 degrees Celsius, but during the hottest month, temperatures can exceed 50 degrees Celsius. Flora and fauna. Animal worlds of the Sahara. The Sahara's environment requires that the wildlife adapts to extremely dry conditions. Strong winds, intense heat, and wide temperature. Plants world of the Sahara. The Central Sahara is estimated to include 500 species of plants, which is extremely low considering the huge extent of the area. Plants such as acai trees, palm, spiny shrubs, and grasses have adapted well to the arid conditions. Human settlements and activities. Human activities are more likely to affect the habitat in area of permanent water oases or where water comes close to the surface. These areas has a good growth of date plant, palms and wherever feasible they are developed as plantations. The Turk people. The Turk peoples are predominantly nomadic people of the Sahara Desert who live mostly in the northern regions of Malay and Timbuktu and Kidal. The Turk are often referred to as the blue men of the desert because their robes are dyed indigo blue. The Bedouin people. Bedouin is the Arabic language refers to one who lives out in the open in the desert. In ancient times, most people settled near rivers, but the Bedouin peoples preferred to live in the open desert. Impact of modernization. Egypt enjoys a relatively well developed tourism industry due to the pyramids and the Sphinx, which are among the wonders of the world. The cold desert of Ladakh. Location and climate. Ladakh is the highest plateau in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, with the most of it being over 9,000 feet above mean sea level. Ladakh is a high altitude desert as the Himalayas create an area of rain shadow denying entry to monsoon clouds. Flora and fauna. Most common animals found here are the yak, which is the largest animal found in Ladakh, Nyan, the largest sheep in the world, Bharal, the blue sheep, and Ural, the smallest sheep in the world. As regards the plants, there are very few plants visible as natural growth. People. The original inhabitation of Leh and Ladakh were of Indo-Aryan and Tibetan origins. Most of the people follow either Buddhism or Islam. The people of Ladakh have developed a small-scale farming system adapted to his unique environment. Another occupation of the people is sheep rearing. Modernization of and impact. The modernization drive and developmental projects are changing the economy and cultural state of the region. This region was used to shoot many features films which helped to popularize the scene beauty of the place. Tourists from across the world visit this region to explore the quiet scenery of the cold desert and admire the culture and natural beauty of this area. Thank you, students.